Welcome to this beautiful mathematics question. We're told to look for the values of x, given that the square root of x plus 2x is equal to 4. So how do we solve this? We isolate the square root. So we're going to be moving 2x to the right-hand side. So our equation becomes the square root of x equal to, we have 4 here, and as 2x crosses to the right, it becomes minus 2x. Now, in order to remove any square root, we take the square of both sides. So the left-hand side, we have the square root of x. So I'll take the square of the left. This is equal to the right-hand side, we have 4 minus 2x. I'm also going to be taking the square of the right-hand side. Now, watch something. This square cancels out the square root, leaving behind x to be equal to. Now the right-hand side is of this form. Let me write it here. A minus b all squared. And this can be expanded as a squared minus 2 times a times b plus b squared. Now we're going to be expanding this like this. But if we have to compare, you see that our A represents this 4, and then our B represents 2x. So B represents 2x. Now let's get this. So we have A squared. A is 4, so that will be 4 squared minus 2 times A times B. So 2 times A is 4, times b is 2x, and then we have plus b squared. And what is our b? Our b is 2x, so that will be 2x squared. Very good. So this simplifies into x equal to 4 squared is 16 minus 2 times 4 times 2x, that will be 16x, plus now 2x all squared. This means 2 squared, that is 4, and x squared. Good. So whenever we see an expression like this, we do them individually. 2 squared and x squared. Now let's move everything to one side. And we do that by subtracting x from both sides. So I'll subtract x from the left, I'll subtract x from the right. So this will result to x minus x is 0. This is equal to, we have 16. Now, negative 16x, negative x gives negative 17x. And then plus 4x squared. Very good. Now we can flip the positions, so we can write all. I'm going to be starting with this. So this is 4x squared minus 17x. So minus 17x. And then this is plus 16, and this is equal to 0. Very good. So now the equation looks really nice. Now we're going to be solving this using the formula method. So our A from here is 4, our B is negative 17, and our C is 16. Now using the formula method, what is the formula we're to use? We're using x to be equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now let's substitute this inside the formula. So this becomes x equal to negative b. What is b? B is negative 17. So I'm going to be putting negative 17 here, plus or minus the square root of b squared. So that would be negative 17 squared minus 4 times a times c times a. What is a? A is 4 times c. C is 16. Very good. All over 2 times a. So that would be 2 times 4. So this reduces to x equal to negative times negative is positive, so we're going to be left with 17 here, which is a positive 1, plus or minus the square root of Negative 17 squared gives positive 289 minus 4 times 4 times 16 gives 256 all over 2 times 4, that will be 8. So our equation becomes x equal to 17 plus or minus the square root of 289 minus 256 is 33 all over 8. Very good. So we have two values of x on here, which are the first value of x is 17 plus the square root of 33 all over 8, while the second value of x is 17. Now we'll go with the negative square root of 33 all over 8. Very good. Well, you want more videos like this? Click the video below.